To transfer a domain to someone else using GoDaddy, start by preparing the domain for transfer. This involves unlocking the domain and obtaining the authorization code, also known as the EP code. The EP code is a unique code assigned to the domain and is required for the transfer process. First, log into your GoDaddy account and navigate to the Domains Manager page. Select the domain you want to transfer and click on the Manage button. In the domain settings, look for the lock icon and click on it to unlock the domain. This will allow the domain to be transferred. Next, click on the Get Authorization Code button to obtain the EP code. The code will be sent to the administrative email address associated with the domain. You will need to provide this code to the new owner, as it is required to initiate the transfer process. The new owner will then need to create a GoDaddy account if they do not already have one. They will need to purchase a domain transfer, selecting the correct domain extension and entering the EP code. The new owner will also need to update the contact information for the domain, including their name, email address, and other details. Once the transfer is initiated, the current owner will receive an email to confirm the transfer. This email will be sent to the administrative email address associated with the domain. You will need to click on the confirmation link in the email to approve the transfer. After the transfer is confirmed, it may take up to 5 days for the transfer to be completed. During this time, the domain will be in a pending transfer status. Once the transfer is complete, the new owner will have full control over the domain and can manage it through their GoDaddy account. It is essential to note that the transfer process may vary depending on the domain extension and the registrar. It is recommended to review the transfer policy for your specific domain extension before initiating the transfer. Additionally, ensure that the new owner is aware of their responsibilities as the new domain owner, including renewing the domain and updating the contact information. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer a domain to someone else using GoDaddy. Remember to stay organized and keep track of the transfer process to ensure a smooth transition.